Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rudy Pean, owner and operator of RCJ Tax and Credit Repair Services. Guys, the current economy that we're in right now, you have to understand how to leverage your credit. With interest rates going up when it comes to credit cards, vehicles, and buying a house, getting the right interest rate on any type of loan is very, very important. But before you get there, you have to understand how your credit is calculated. And in this video, I'm going to do a simple dive into how the calculation works when it comes to your personal credit. And I hope it helps you guys when you're going out looking to purchase different types of things out there. The biggest thing, guys, when you're understanding your credit score is the payment history. On-time payment is very, very important. You have to look at it when it comes to the lender or the banker side of things. How can they give you a certain amount of money when your payment history, whether it's on a cell phone bill, whether it's on your car note, is not on time? 35% of your credit calculation is based on time payments. 30% of it is also based on the amount owed. Understand that when you have a lot of debt, it imbalances your debt to income ratio. So you want to understand you don't want to have too much debt under your personal name. The length of credit is very, very important. 15% of that is calculated when it comes to length of credit. And what that means is how long is your credit history, whether it's on a personal credit card, whether it's on a cell phone bill that you carry, a car note, or a house note. The credit length is very, very, very important. Another fact that's very, very important, guys, 15% of your credit calculation is based on the length of credit. So understand, the longer you have open lines of credit, it's very, very important. So anytime you're going through the dispute process and you're trying to fix your credit, any old accounts, you want to keep those open and current. It's very, very important. Again, my name is Rudy Pean, owner and operator of RCJ Tax and Credit Repair. If you guys have any questions in regards to your credit, feel free to give us a call, and I'll make sure I leave a link below if you guys need help with your credit. Be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook and Instagram.